Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of OpenCV module, I am going to start with a new program. I hope you have watched the previous video because in the previous video I gave the introduction to the OpenCV and I also explained the installation portion. So if you have not watched the previous lecture, you can just watch it. So here I had created the OpenCV Pro project here, and this was the previous program which we did in the previous video, and now I'm just creating with a new file. Now as I told you that OpenCV is an image processing library, so we have to work with some images here. Now how to get the images for your project? It's like there are various ways. You can just use your image which you have taken from the camera, or you are having some other image. You can use whichever image you like, but I will be telling you one more interesting source from where you can get the images apart from Google. You can just go towards the GitHub of OpenCV. Like here you can see the OpenCV website which I have explored in the previous lecture. I will be sharing the link here also. So here in the this website, the GitHub link is there. So when you will be reaching towards the GitHub of OpenCV, in this you have to go towards, let me tell, samples, and don't worry, I will be sharing the link so you will be reaching it directly. And in the data, so here you can see a lot of images are present. You can use any of them, whichever you like. You can just open any of them and use it. Let's choose one of them for our project also. So I'm just using this image. It's a random selection, and here you can see, okay, this is the lena.jpg. This way, whichever image you like, you can download it, you can get it. I am just saving this image into my system, and I will be using this for the entire series probably. So this is already downloaded here. So now I'm just going to use this one. Okay, so how to do that? I'm just going to copy that image into my system, into my project folder. So it is here now, you can see. So this image I want into my project folder. I have just copied it and I have just pasted it from here, Control V. So here you can see the lena.jpg will be available in our project folder. Okay, let me just see that. I think I had not copied it. Copy, paste. So now this image is in our project folder, and this is the best approach to keep the image in the project folder, so it will be a better way to save your things in a proper manner. So this lena.jpg is here now, and let's start with the first program. Technically it's second program. Okay, so here I'm taking import cv2. For the OpenCV module we have to use the cv2, and then I am using imread function, which is the function which is available in cv2, and here I am taking the image lena.jpg. Okay, now after that I'm just going to print the image. Okay, now if you want to display the image, actually you do not have to use the print function, because if you will be using the print function, so it will be actually giving the image in this manner. Here you can see a 3D matrix is getting printed, and actually it is holding the BGR color, or you can say the RGB. So the BGR color mode is holding here, and all the different pixel values are printed, and even not all, because here you can see the dot dots are coming because it's having a huge value. You do not want this. Actually you want to open the image on the OpenCV, like this PyCharm, you can say, the editor whichever you are using. So for that, actually we are having one more command which we can use, and that is imshow. So here I'm just creating a frame, and I'm just passing the variable of the image which we have taken. Image is the name of the image frame, and the img is the variable in which our image is stored. Then I'm taking cv2.wait key 0. Okay, I will be telling that what is the meaning of that wait key 0 within few seconds, you can say. And then I'm taking cv2.destroy all windows. So this 0 is basically controlling the cross button. If you are using this 0 here, so when you will be pressing on the cross button, it will be closed directly. Okay, let me just show this thing to you. You can see now when we have run this particular program, so the image is getting open, and here the cross button is available. Now the destroy all windows, which is given on the line number 6 after the wait key 01. So that is basically used to destroy the windows internally. So I'm just going to close this, and that is actually going to be happened with the help of the line number 5. So I'm just closing it, and here you can see it's closed simply. But if you want to set some timer, so here suppose I have taken 5000. So this 5000 is actually the milliseconds. 5000 milliseconds means that you are going for the 5 seconds. I'm just running this, and now this time I will not press any cross button. Automatically after the 5 seconds the window will be closed. Here you can see it is closed automatically. I'm just changing it to 10,000. So after the 10 seconds, like I have run this program and I will be not pressing the cross button, you can see my cursor is here, and automatically after the 10 seconds the window will be closed because we have given 10,000 milliseconds here. So here you can see it's closed. So this way it works, and if you are giving 0, so you have to press the cross button and then it will be closed. I hope this program was clear. In case there is any confusion, you can just ask that in the comment section, and you can also join the Framework Educational Hub WhatsApp group. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook also. And stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, press the notification bell, because a lot of videos are going to come in this particular series, and I will be demonstrating various projects also. So don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.